What's up, guys? Okay, y'all. Today, I'm going to tackle my pantry. And by tackle, I mean finally get it somewhat organized, cleaned out, and usable, shall I say. So let's look at this awesome mess. Yeah. Y'all, look at all this stuff. Now, let me start off by saying I am not a cook by any means. So I really use my kitchen as more of a craft kitchen, meaning crafts, DIYs, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to set up my pantry not necessarily for food. Now, I do have some food that I use, like my coffee creamer and all this other stuff. But I'm just going to get a form of organization that works for me. And this may not work for you guys that actually eat food at your house. But it's going to work for me for how I utilize my kitchen, guys. So I wanted to make sure y'all see this before. And I don't even know how I'm going to even tackle this to keep it all the way 100 with you guys. But y'all about to see it. Oh, Lord, help me. The aftermath, y'all. How in the H do I have this much stuff in a pantry? Only, look at all this. I'm not finished. Y'all, what is my problem? Okay. That is the aftermath. Keeping it 100 with you guys. Look at this empty now. I'm gonna wipe the shelf clean. Okay, I'm keeping that stuff up there. Because guess what? I cannot reach that up there anyway. So I'm like, well, shoot, I ain't moving that stuff. So that'll be my little storage. Like, you know, whatever, y'all. But I'm cool with that. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves and a floor to work with. And I'm cool with that. I just need to clean it real quick. And so I can put all the, look at y'all. It's more, look at the table. You can't even see my table. True that half that stuff was already on that mug, but, oh. Okay, guys. And this, yes. So I'm about to organize, throw away, and pray. Because, yeah. And then I'll show y'all the after. Like the beautiful pantry. Can y'all believe this is, the majority of this, I think all of this came out of the dang pantry that I am throwing away. That is just mad crazy. But the pantry is finish. Yes. Come through, pantry. Y'all, I love it. Now, I'm still gonna get like organizing containers to hide some of the items. But for the most part, it's clean. I know what stuff is. I know what's actually in there now. And hey, I'm loving it, guys. And now I gotta clean out like off my counter space within my kitchen. But this pantry finished though. And I love how I use that container to put my foil paper and sandwich bags and so on and so forth. Now I don't really do too much at this top because I'm like, yo, those some big items and I can't reach that area anyway. I think I mentioned that before. I'm mentioning it again just to refresh your brain. But overall, I really, really love how it turned out, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook your girl up with a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next video. Come through, organization. Aha, I'm here for it.